Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you how to make a very popular Polish side dish. It's actually made out of beets. I don't know the English name for it. I would call it maybe warm beet salad. Sounds good. Sounds good to me. So that actually salad is made out of roasted beets. I roast them. Some people boil it. I prefer them roasted because the beautiful thing that happens once you roast them, that sweetness. I mean, the beets are already sweet, but the sweetness of them, it's just crazy amazing. It's so good. You gotta try it. So let's get to the recipe and I'll share with you exactly step by step what to do.
I'm going to start with preheating my oven to 400 Fahrenheit. I wash the beets well. Sometimes they may have some sand and dirt all over them, and that's not the crunch you want. I want to have all my beets wrapped separately in the foil. When you buy beets, try to select medium to small size as they will roast faster. Depending on the size of your beets as well, the time will vary for the cooking. Mine were done in 40 to 45 minutes. You can check if they are ready by inserting fork in them, and if it goes in with minimum resistance, they are ready. Next, I peel them right away. They are hot, so be careful, but I find the skin comes off easier when they are still hot. While the beets are still warm, I use the small side of this 4-side box grater to finally grate them. Next, chop half of an onion very finely. To a heated surface, add half of a tablespoon of butter. Add chopped onions and saute until they are very soft and browned. You want the onions to almost become sweet, to add the sweetness to the sweet salad. Season with salt and pepper. It should take about 5 minutes. Once the onions are softened, you can add the beets and then you will season with salt and pepper again. If your beets are not sweet enough for some reason, you can add a little bit of sugar. And at the very end, when they are ready, this takes about 5 to 10 minutes, add a little bit of squeezed lemon, just like a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, no more than that. And that's it. My warm beet salad is ready. It's quick, very easy to make, very nutritious. I like to serve it with meat and mashed potatoes. This time, chicken drumsticks were chosen. I hope you enjoyed this very nutritious side dish as I do. Leave a comment below, like if you have not already, and I will see you on the next one.